Hi, we're Donna and Chris, and about 6 months ago, we did something we've been thinking about for a long time. We started making YouTube videos. Since that first upload, we tried to post a new video every week. It didn't always happen, and that's okay. Life gets in the way sometimes. We have 2 kids and full-time jobs. Some videos did well, some not so much, and we spent a lot of time checking YouTube analytics, hoping for that moment of success. I've tried to understand how the algorithm works, only to be more confused than ever. What I did realize was that everyone's story is different and the measure of success is different for everyone, but consistency is the key. So we thought we'd share our journey to becoming monetized on YouTube, hopefully, and this is it so far. People who know us wouldn't expect us to start a YouTube channel. We are working parents who are over 50 and not big social media people, but we decided to do it. But I didn't want to tell anyone, except our kids. That way there'd be no expectations and no pressure and no embarrassment. I really just didn't want to make this fool of myself publicly. We just wanted to see what was possible. A few years ago, I posted a few furniture refinishing videos, but they never really went anywhere. I didn't have the mental capacity or the time for it. Not sure what I was thinking. We had 2 little kids. I was working full time and I thought, yeah, I can do this too. But no, I couldn't. But I did learn a ton about how to film, some really basic editing, and how to upload videos to YouTube. So it wasn't a complete waste. So last spring, we decided to go for it. Ideas to I Did It was born. Our daughter came up with the name. We wanted to show that do-it-yourself is a way of life and how we've DIY'd our way through life in many ways, from fixing and repairs to woodworking projects to sell to make extra money when needed. So that's what we're trying to do. We use our iPhone and free editing software, and I challenge myself to make one improvement each video. This could be better use of lighting, a new editing thing, improving the audio quality, or trying new things in a video. I hope our videos get a little bit better each time. The first few were dark and the audio sucks, but that's all part of the process. No one can learn everything at once, so bit by bit, we learn a little bit more, and hopefully that shows in our videos. We're also trying to get more comfortable being on camera, but that's a work in progress. Uploading that first video was a leap in the dark. We secretly hoped for instant success, but that was not our journey. Slow and steady is more our pace, and that's okay. It can be hard to stay motivated at times, and it can feel like a lot of work with no guarantee of any reward. But it's also exciting when you see views climbing and subscribers joining. We know consistency is key, so we committed to posting weekly for the most part and started creating videos. Then I realized YouTube gave us a reason to prioritize our DIY projects and our woodworking and other creative endeavors that life often got in the way of. But by committing to weekly uploads, it meant we had to do it. It became a priority for us. And that meant dedicated time to being creative and doing the DIYs we loved. I started to get more efficient with filming and editing, and things got better. People asked for the build plans of what we were doing in the video, so we created the build plans and started selling them on Etsy. I can see how important it is just to do it. Some things will work, some won't, and some will take you down a path you never even imagined. Just start, take the leap. Sometimes you may think, what the hell am I doing, and feel like an imposter, but you're not. You might be new to YouTube, but you are not new to what you're talking about. You are an expert about you. We had success on a few videos with slow and steady growth and had one bare wood art video climb to 17,000 views, and it's still going, but just a lot slower. We've tried replicating that video success with other bare wood art videos and other wood art videos, but they didn't take off in the same way. The mystery of YouTube continues. Still, we stayed consistent, and after about 4 months, we hit 1,000 subscribers. As we're recording this, we're currently about 1,500 hours away from the magic 4,000 hours that you need to monetize your channel. Starting a YouTube channel can be tough, and most channels take time to grow. It can be a ton of work planning content, filming, editing, and stressing about the analytics, but we think it's worth it. For now, we're focused on DIYs and making better videos and trusting the process. If you're thinking about starting a channel, here's my unsolicited advice. Just start. You don't need to have everything figured out. And that's coming from me, a self-admitted control freak. Be yourself, do what you love, trust that the right people will find you. You will grow and learn new valuable skills. It's a creative outlet, and you can challenge yourself to learn new things. It's allowed us to show our kids you can do anything at any age, and the importance of trying new and hard things and challenging yourself. You can figure this stuff out on your own, even if you don't know much about it. So it might take time, but just take the leap. Create a life you love. So that's where we are. Thanks for listening to our journey so far.